Hey guys, welcome back to my English corner. Today I don't record a video on my way to the park motorbike parking carport or the is motorbike parking area because today is rain and the wind is strong heavily outside. I go out with my umbrella and the wind was blowing, so I can't. It rained at the same time. It's also rained outside. I felt so cold. I felt so cold and I forgot my jacket in my office, so I had to go up go up the stair and take it because it's really cold outside. And my chef accountant, she asked me if I don't bring my coat, and she will lend me her coat. So yes, she's actually a really pretty nice person, right? Now I just wake up this evening. I intended study early than other days before, but I sit down at my table to study, but I have a courtship with my friends, and it's really fun, so I can't control myself from it. I smile a lot, so happy about it. So I waste 2 hours. It's a lot, right? But I can't control myself. I I can't accept myself, but it's really fun, really fun. And after that, I read Bookworm today. It has audio with it, and it makes me more, how to say, I don't sleepy. I am not sleepy when I'm listening at the same time when I'm reading. But after that, I have 5 minutes to relax and I go to my room here, and I decide maybe just sleep, take a nap 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, and I set my alarm on my phone 10 minutes from 9 9:35 to 9:45. I said it, but then I even didn't remember. I turned off it when it rang. I don't remember it rang or not. After that, I wake up after 20 minutes, so I waste more 10 minutes. And right now, at the present, this moment, I still have a lot of things I haven't done yet. For example, I have to study Chinese for about 30 minutes. Beside that, I have to watch 30 minutes the video. So maybe I have to finish it here. I intended to retell mini stories today, but I don't have time, so maybe tomorrow I will listen to it more carefully and I spend time better to manage my time and have more time to record it. Thank you for listening to me in this video and wish you sorry sleep well. Thank you for listening to me. See you again.